Welcome back! Today we're assembling the Super Split HD model with the extra wide production table. The splitter is super easy to uncrate. Even with my son's help, we had it done in less than 20 minutes. We moved everything into the shop and removed the 7 nuts holding the cowling in place. That includes the nut and washer for the control arm on top. Removing the cowling gives us a glimpse of the two 90-pound flywheels that store the energy for this kinetic splitter. The front leg is installed under the wedge end of the splitter with 4 nuts and bolts, but just hand tightened. These will need to be removed later for the work table installation. The work table side rail that I just grabbed is attached using 3 bolts, washers, and nuts. These are tightened securely and replicated on both halves of the production table. The extra wide production table has support legs. The support leg is attached using 2 additional bolts which are tightened securely. The adjustable portion of the leg is secured in place by using the lock pin. You'll want this to measure about 28 inches after assembly. This is another rinse and repeat for both sides. Setting the halves of the production table in place requires the removal of 2 of the bolts used to secure the front leg on one side. Once set in place, secure the table to the splitter frame by replacing the front leg bolts as well as a 3rd bolt near the rear of the table. Everything here should just be hand tight. The work table extension between the 2 sides is secured with 8 hand-tightened bolts from underneath. Keeping things loose and adjustable makes hole alignment a breeze. To complete the production table assembly, the table faceplate is installed using 10 bolts. Once in place, go back and securely tighten all of the bolts used on the splitter. Now we'll install the tow hitch assembly. It's a simple process but makes a massive difference when you want to move this unit around. This is definitely a made in the USA splitter designed for decades of use. Next, you'll remove the belt tightening bolt before resting the motor on the frame. Once in place, you'll insert the tightening bolt tab into the hole on the bottom of the motor mount plate and slide the bolt back into place. The motor mount bracket is loosely installed to allow for the drive belt installation. Wrap the 2 drive belts around the flywheel and the motor belt pulley, then adjust the belt tensioner until they are taut. The motor mount can now be tightened down. Grab a gun and hit the 4 Zerk fittings that need to be greased. There are 2 next to the flywheels and 1 on the inside of each tow wheel. The belt guard is the next to be installed and the cowling put back in place. With some small engine oil and some gas, we're ready to fire up. This one actually started on the first pull, which was awesome. So far so good. This splitter is everything it was advertised to be. We'll get it out and put it through its paces, but save that for another video. Thanks for watching.